Ladies and gentlemen, this is Eugene Heatman with the Ruidoso News. We actually have stranded people in cars slowly being washed away by flash flood water. This is Eugene Heatman with the Ruidoso News. The Ruidoso Fire.
No point.
Good afternoon, this is Eugene Heatman, live from Highway 70 and Cliff Drive in Ruidoso Downs. As you can see, Highway 70 is flooding and converging down at what is known as the Y. We've had some pretty heavy rainstorm on the south side of